Good day, everyone. Once again, the introduction of our project is the periodic table of elements and the fundamental tool in understanding the properties and behavior of materials in civil engineering. The selection and design of materials play a crucial role in the construction of structures, infrastructures, and buildings. The properties and elements, such as atomic radius, electronegativity, and crystal structure, significantly influence the behavior of materials under different or various conditions. So now, for the relationship and essential for developing the sustainable and efficient construction practices. This project aims to leverage Python programming to analyze the structural properties of the elements and their application in civil engineering. By developing a civil engineering Python code, we can gain insight in the relationship and between the elements or potential of elements under the construction materials. So this knowledge can inform material selection and can easier to use that can be contributing to the advancement of sustainable and efficient construction practices. So to further explain our project, here we call on Mr. Axel Banner.
So for our program, we have several features. So the first feature you'll see is the overview. So this is like your quick reference guide. It shows a table of all available construction materials such as iron, aluminum, copper, magnesium, zinc, titanium, and silicon. So for each one, you get to see important properties like density, tensile strength, corrosion resistance, and cost in Philippine pesos per ton. So if you want more details about a material, you just type its symbol and the program will show you its uses and carbon footprint, making it easier to compare options. Next up is the material recommendation feature. Here, the program acts like personal assistant. It asks about your project requirements like how strong the material needs to be, whether it's for indoor or outdoor use, your budget, and what matters most to you, strength, cost, or sustainability. So based on that answers, it scores all the materials and recommends the best fit, explaining why it chose that one. So this way, you can see how your priorities affect the best material for your project. So we have the third one is the cost and labor calculator. So this is especially useful if you want to estimate your project's total cost. You pick a material, enter how many tons you'll need, the labor hours, and the labor rate. So the program then calculates the material cost, labor cost, and the total project cost for you. So it's a quick way to check if your project fits your budget or to compare costs between different materials. Then there's a sustainability checker, which in this feature helps you consider the environmental impact of your material choices. You select a material and then enter the quantity you'll use, and the program calculates the total carbon footprint of your project. It also compares all the materials and tells you which one would be the most eco-friendly for the same amount, so you can make more greener choices. If you get confused, there's a help menu that explains what each feature does in plain language. And when you're done, you can simply exit the program, which sends you off with a friendly good message.
How does the program work? When you run the program, it welcomes you and shows a main menu with different stuff you can do, like checking out material info, getting recommendations, calculating costs, or checking which material is more eco-friendly. You just pick an option, answer a few questions, and it does the math or gives you suggestions based on what you see. It even converts prices from dollars to pesos and tells you how much carbon each material gives off. Once you're done with one part, it brings you back to the main menu so you can try another or exit.
Additionally, this is one of the most powerful features. The user is asked how strong the material needs to be, if it will be used indoor or outdoor, what's the maximum budget is, and what is their priority is in terms of strength, cost, or sustainability, that the program then goes through all the materials and scores them based on tensile strength and corrosion resistance. Then, cost and labor calculator. This feature helps estimate project cost by combining the material cost based on selected material and quantity in tons, the labor cost based on hours and rate per hour, It gives a breakdown of material cost, labor cost, and the total project cost itself. Then, sustainability checker. Here, the user chooses a material and how many tons they plan to use. The program calculates the total carbon footprint. It also tells the user which other materials would be more eco-friendly for the same quantity. And lastly, help and exit. Option 5 explains all the features, and option 6 cleanly exits.
With the growing demands of modern construction, smart and informed choices can make all the difference. By combining powerful features like material overviews, smart recommendation, cost and labor calculators, and sustainability checks, it empowers you to approach every project with clarity and confidence. Why settle for trial and error when you can use data to drive your choices? Whether you're managing a large-scale build or a classroom project, this tool simplifies complex consideration and delivers practical and real-time solution that is tailored to your needs. And there you have it, everyone. That concludes our presentation. Once again, this is your Civil Project Buddy, an interactive materials decision support tool. We hope you've gained valuable insight into how this tool can support smarter materials choices, optimize project costs, and improve overall efficiency. Whether you are a student, engineer, project manager, or contractor, Civil Project Buddy is designed to be your reliable companion from planning to execution. Thank you for your time, interest, and attention. We're excited about the future of smarter construction, and we hope you'll take the Civil Project Buddy with you on your next project. Let's build better together. Thank you.